All right, it look decent. So this is something that I am possibly most likely going to be paying attention to today. I like this affirm chart. We had this previous resistance up here at 74. Very clean resistance, might I add, at 74. Yesterday they reported in earnings. It resulted in their stock making a very strong move to the upside. We do have an area of demand sitting down here at this 67, 67 to 66, where we might try to pull back into and bounce off of. I'm not really wanting to play bounces, honestly. So I don't care about the bounce on this stock. But I do, this is a very high quality setup if we can break over 74. I do have an alert set up here on AFRM above 74. I'm gonna throw another one up here just in case we do get that break today. By rejecting that supply, I'm still watching this affirm over there 74. Getting that push into the 74 now. Price attempting to break. I'm at some $75 calls on the firm. I want to see us hold over to 74 at this point. Nice push on the firm. Taking some sales off up here. Still in some runners on it. Down to my last four contracts. I'm gonna try to hold. I'm gonna cut it a little bit more. I'm gonna see. We're gonna see how hard this push. Beautiful push, bro. What the world? Down to three. Down to two. I'm basically in runners now. So, what I'm in? I'm in last two contracts. Um, I'm gonna set my stop. I'm gonna set my stop on this, and then we just gonna rock out. We're gonna see how if it can hold. I want to see us stay above that 75. Beautiful push on the firm, bro. Beautiful push, man. That was a good trade. If y'all are in this trade still, y'all could take y'all sales into this strength. Y'all can make y'all sales on these green candles. It's the best when you trading options to sell when your candles is green rather than selling when it's red. So as prices pushing higher, you in multiple contracts just slowly scale out. I think I'm about to sell. Price struggling up here to 77. Market pushing. I low key want to enter that meta play because we're coming back down to that 720. If this candle flip red, I'm gonna get out. I don't care if we stay above that 75. Just trying to ride this momentum, honestly. I'm gonna close this runner. I'm fully out of a firm. Yo, Q is rejecting the supply. We're gonna move back down into the VWAP. I think we should start preparing for that downside move if the market does reject today. We are pulling back in the VWAP, so we could bounce, but based off of where we're sitting at on the chart, being that this is a very strong area of resistance, um, drop down to the 15 minute. Yeah, the same thing has happened the last 3 weeks. Like I want y'all to remember that, right? So on QQQ, I would rather play the downside move. And the easiest trade on that, the easiest trade to the downside is once we reject the supply and we flip back underneath this 528. That's the easiest trade underneath that 528. It's a little ways away, and I know y'all want to catch that move to the downside now, but like this is the safest entry for puts. I'm not gonna lie. Once we start breaking this to the downside, it's underneath that 528. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Slide back the cues. Damn, we came down to the 528 already. Oh, you're watching this 528. We need price to break and hold. That melt was actually disgusting. That was insane. Um, we need it underneath this 528 though, so we gotta wait for that. Based off that sell we just got, it's possible. We just gotta get underneath that 528. Give us this bounce. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now we need to see rejections off this 528. Spot holding this demand. We look for spot reject off of this 606. See how aggressive this bounce is. Because this was yesterday's higher day. We had a lot of resistance sitting right here. So ideally, and because we got a very aggressive break under, you want to see us kind of reject that zone. QQQ testing this 528. I'm looking for some 527 puts. I need to see us reject this zone though. I don't really want to see us push back over this 528. I'm in a few 527 puts. Stop loss is over this 528 though. We got a minute to this candle close. It's either gonna stop me out or we're gonna get a super hard rejection off this. Making one more sell into this low. Good fucking push, bro. Bro, I might be him. I might be him, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I might be that dude, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, I might be him. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I might be him. I might be that dude, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I might be him. I ain't gonna lie. I'm out of that last contract right here. And y'all can hold as long as we underneath this 520. I'm not finishing on these charts all day, bro. I might be him, bro. I might just be that dude, bro. I might be that dude. Mm. How much you up? I'm up 1.2 on the day. I might be that dude, bro. I should have really went heavier on this because this was a good setup. I went light on this shit. Could have really put some risk on it, but it's all good. Did any of y'all catch that move or not?